Welcome to this sacred meditation practice. Today, we will explore dhyana, the ancient Vedic art of deep contemplation. Through this practice, we invite stillness into the mind and awaken the connection between our inner self and the greater reality that pervades all things. Find a comfortable seat, whether on a cushion or a chair, and allow your spine to grow tall and steady, as if it were the trunk of a tree, rooted, strong, yet flexible. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Let your eyes softly close. Take a moment to bring your awareness into this present space. Begin by observing the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, and the warmth as you exhale. There is nothing to force, nothing to change. Simply be with your breath. Now, bring your awareness to the sound of the breath. As you inhale, hear the quiet whisper of Om, the primordial sound of the universe. As you exhale, feel a sense of release and relaxation. Inhaling Om, exhaling into silence. We will begin the practice of dhyana, the art of stilling the mind and entering deep contemplation. In the ancient Vedic texts, dhyana is described as a state where the mind becomes free from distraction, fully absorbed in the experience of the present. Let us focus on a single point of awareness, the space between your thoughts. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without attachment and gently let them go, like clouds passing in the sky. Now, bring to mind the sacred sound of Om. Silently, repeat it within yourself with each breath. Inhaling the sound of Om, exhaling into the vast silence. Om represents the eternal vibration of the universe, the connection between your inner self, ātman, and the universal spirit, brahman. With each breath, allow your awareness to sink deeper. Feel the presence of Brahman, the infinite, formless reality within you. It is here, in the quiet spaces between the breath and the thoughts, where we find the eternal, unchanging truth. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sound of Om. Let it be your anchor, your guide into stillness. In the practice of dhyana, there is no striving, only being. Allow yourself to rest in the peaceful awareness of simply being present. As we continue in this state of dhyana, bring your focus inward to the heart center, the space at the center of your chest. Imagine a soft, radiant light glowing there, representing the divine presence within. With each breath, allow this light to expand, filling your entire being with warmth, peace, and clarity. This light is the essence of ātman, your true self, which is not separate from Brahman. As you dwell in this light, feel a sense of oneness with the universe. One breath, one energy, one consciousness. in this awareness. You are the light. You are the stillness. You are the eternal presence that exists beyond all change. Stay here for a few more moments, feeling connected to the infinite source of life, the cosmic rhythm that moves through all things. When you are ready, begin to deepen your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs with new energy, new life. Slowly, gently, bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, allowing your body to awaken. Keep the sense of calm and connection you've cultivated here as you move through the rest of your day. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension or distraction. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May the peace and stillness you've touched here stay with you always. Om Shanti. Namaste.